Welcome back, food lovers. Last week I shared with you my cheese sauce that goes perfectly with everything, and today I share with you the healthier version of French fries, my technique of making the crispy French fries in the oven. First thing first, you need to peel and cut the potatoes. This is my technique of cutting the potatoes perfectly into French fries. Cut off the ends, cut the potato in half, flip half face down on cutting board, cut into wide slices, flip each slice sideways and cut again. Repeat the process with all halves. Next, another important thing is to add the fries to a large bowl and cover with water and wash them well. I removed the water and replaced it with another one in order to make sure the fries are washed very well. The second water should be clean at the end. If it's not clean, replace it with another water and repeat the process one more time. Drain them well with a paper towel and add them in a clean bowl. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil, season with salt and stir them well. Add them in the baking tray lined with parchment paper and arrange them well. Bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until they reach your desired crisp. Remove them from the oven and serve them with finely chopped green garlic and my cheese sauce. Simply the best. Bon appetit, my dears, and take care. With love and gratitude, Adnana.